Hello guys, how are we doing today? I'm just gonna wait for that ice cream man to pass by. So sorry about that. How are we guys doing today? I'm just gonna wait for a few more people to join the stream. Please do leave a like as you are rolling in, guys. I would greatly appreciate it. For those that are just joining, yeah, there is an ice cream man outside and he is driving around the street right now. So please do ignore him if you can hear him in the background. But yeah, how are we doing today, guys? It is a very, very warm day, as usual, as it has been for the past few days. Just gonna wait for a few more people to join the stream. What you guys been up to today, though? For those that are just rolling in as well, please do leave a like on the video. It does help support the channel, and I do appreciate more than you guys understand. Okay, so guys, today I wanted to be doing something a little bit different to what I've been doing previously. I did always say that I would never hype up a certain coin for people to invest into. I would never be that guy that would just, tell people to go and invest in a random coin or whatever it is. However, today I wanted to do something just a little bit different. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of news as per usual and give you my opinion on it, let you know what I think they're trying to do in regards to the media. And then I wanted to basically just present a certain coin to you guys, which I believe has some great potential within the market to make you guys some money. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, anything like that. I have personally just done my research on these coins. On this coin, I'm actually going to be showing you two coins, so yeah, your lucky day. But yeah, I've done a lot of research on these, and in my opinion, I do believe that there is some great potential in them, and I do believe they're going to be performing very, very well come the near future. Okay, so yeah, but guys, please, like I said, please do leave a like on the stream as you're rolling in. I am just gonna wait for a few more people to roll in. Please do say hi if you are here. It's good to see some new faces, some older faces, the regulars as well. It's always good to see whoever is here. So yeah, please do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've been quite busy recently. Making some videos for you guys. It's been quite a busy day. I've obviously got my normal day job. I've been working. I've been creating some content for you guys. Obviously, with the live streams, as I say, it's every Monday to Friday at 6:30. But on the weekend, I will be releasing some content for you guys to watch. Two important videos as well. So definitely look out for them. Very important videos. You should learn quite a lot from them. So Saturday and Sunday, I'll release one of the videos each day. Dan Jones, afternoon, man. How's it going? Good to see you back. You still up in that river? You chilling there? It's been a hot day today as well. So I wouldn't blame you if you are there, but yeah, for those that are just joining as well, yeah, please do leave a like as you are rolling in. And like I said, I just want to be covering a little bit of news today, give you my opinion on it, and then move on to something a bit different where I explain some of the coins that I am invested in right now that I believe have some great potential. You're still there? Yeah, dude, I don't blame you, man. I wish I was next to a river just chilling. It is a really hot day and I've just been inside all day, man. I've been making content for you guys, man. I've been making content for you guys. I'm trying my best out here. I'm trying to make these videos for you, all the questions that you guys have. But to be fair, the channel wouldn't be anything without you guys anyway, because I'm trying to just make videos based off what you guys want to see, right? Mikhail, all the best, bro, from South Florida. Wow. Jeez, man. I bet it's boiling out there right now. It's good to see you here, man. I really appreciate you joining. Really appreciate it. Where have you heard of us from? Where did you hear about the channel from? Just out of curiosity, man, because it's weird. I was actually out the other day, and I swear to you, I'm not boasting or anything like that. I was eating I was at a Thai restaurant. I ate my food. And literally, as I finished, had my drinks and everything, and as I finished, I asked for the bill, and the waiter came over, and he goes to me, "I know you." I was like, "Nah, don't even say it." And he was like, "I know you from YouTube." I was like, "What?" Crazy, man. I don't even know. Like I said, I swear to God, I'm not boasting enough. It just felt weird, someone saying that to me. It was crazy. It's like, you watch my YouTube? Because for me, it's still weird that people are actually watching me on YouTube. And It's only been going 2 weeks, but it was crazy. The guy told me he knew me from YouTube. He's been watching my videos, and the smile on my face, I literally felt like crying. I was like, wow. Oh, it was crazy. It's a crazy feeling, man. Lee Gunner, Gunner for life. Yeah, man. Good for you, bro. Honestly, it was great. Lee Gunner's been helping me out a lot, shouting at the channel and stuff. So it's good to see that a lot of the guys have actually come over to watch the channel. And it's not only that, the support I've been getting has been great. So while the people that are in here right now, I know there's only 11 of you, but obviously I appreciate it more than you know. I just want to thank everyone because the channel has been growing at such a rapid pace. It's been crazy. I mean, we've only been going 2 weeks. We've got 500 subscribers already. It's more than I ever dreamed or imagined of. And to me, you know, it's huge, it's special. So I do know I've had a lot of help and shout outs from people such as Lee Gunner when I made an appearance on there. But, you know, to just see that amount of people subscribing to the channel and watching my videos, it does a lot for me, you know, because you know, when I first started the channel, I never expected people to even, you know, watch me or listen to me. I know I've got a story that I tell, and I just wanted to make a channel, no hype, nothing like that, just teach people how to do everything so they don't make the same mistakes, and just simply get you guys on it to earn some money, man. And yeah, ultimately we're getting there. So thank you all so much for joining me. John Fisk, good to see you back, man. I know you was here yesterday as well. People loving crypto all over the world. Yep, it's gaining a lot of attention all over media, and it's only right that we know what we're doing, right? We need to know what we're doing when it comes to crypto. Don't just enter the market blind. I'm here to teach you guys everything I know, so you guys can make the best decisions for yourself to make as much money as possible as well. So that is a plan. Hopefully you learn from everything you watch on here, and yeah, we just move from there. Liam, good to see you, man. Really good to see you. I know you've been away for a few days. You haven't been able to join us, but I'm glad to see that you're here, bro. Really appreciate it. Taboga, all the best from South Africa. Wow, man. Appreciate you joining the stream, bro. Really appreciate you joining the stream. See, it's crazy. I mean, Florida, England, South Africa. I feel like we are slowly building a great community on the channel, and hopefully it just gets better and better, you know. And like I said, I always say it, my motto is you walk away from each video having feel like you've learned something, right? So hopefully you could do that today as well. So again, just a quick recap and then I'll jump into it. Sorry for the guys that have been here from the beginning. Just want to tell the other guys that have just joined. Just want to have a quick look at some news articles for you guys and just give you my opinion on it. Because again, you know me, I always have an opinion on these news articles. Then I want to just be showing you a coin or two that I believe has some great potential to make quite a lot of money. They are excellent projects as well. And I just wanted to introduce you to them. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I have just done my research on them and I believe that they are excellent projects with great potential at this point as well. If you do want to invest in them, that is completely up to you. Infamous Links, I see Cryptobible is live and I am on it. Good to see you, man. That's good to see you. Thank you for joining us again. And again, guys, those that are just joining, please do leave a like on the video and let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is this article here. I found it a little bit interesting, and it's this. Gamers can now more easily cash out Bitcoin winnings from playing Counter-Strike. I just saw it and I was like, what? Crazy, in it, right? So people are literally now playing games and they're able to cash out some rewards into Bitcoin, right? I was like, what the heck is that about? Just wanted to skim over it because the second article is a little bit more weird and I wanted to get your opinions mainly on the second article. So let's just quickly show you what I mean. Just going to quickly read through this, guys, so bear with me. Gamers can now more easily cash out Bitcoin winnings from playing Counter-Strike. Okay, random. So let's just quickly read it. Got the skills to pay the bills in Counter-Strike Global Offensive. You can prove it by wagering and winning Bitcoin in the popular PC shooter thanks to an unofficial integration powered by Bitcoin. Startup ZBD, which unveiled the functionality in February ahead of plans to roll out service featuring its infused technology for Bitcoin rewards. So there you go, guys. For those that play Counter-Strike, and trust me, I know a lot of people that play Counter-Strike. I don't play it myself, but well, you can now get rewards of Bitcoin just for playing it. How crazy is it, man? We're seeing so many integrations with crypto coming through right now. The other day we saw Apple. You can now walk into shops, well, soon walk into shops and pay for groceries or anything with crypto. You know, there's so many different integrations happening right now. Now, obviously, gaming is going to be becoming such a big part of it too. So it's just another step forward for crypto, which is very, very good to see. So yeah, do any of you actually play Counter-Strike? I know one guy who plays it. I know I said I know a lot. I know one guy who plays it. But does anyone actually play that? Because if you do, get on it, man. Do you know what I mean? Lo, let's go. Yeah, man, let's go. We're gonna get straight into this. Hopefully, it's gonna be a good live stream. And yeah, I'm looking forward to actually introducing the coin that I want to show you guys. I'm very big on it. I've got a big bag of it myself. And yeah, you'll find out very, very soon. Mikhail, stay consistent, bro. Good content will always be watched. Big up, man. Thank you very much. I know it's all about staying consistent when it comes to YouTube, and that's what I'm trying to do. Even though I'm not able to get actual videos out to you every single day, I am trying my best to, you know, get these live streams out to you every Monday to Friday, and within the live streams, still teach you something so you could still learn something every single time. You know, it's not just a live stream regarding news. Now I'm trying to teach something every single time. So it's great. Samantha Jane, hi, how are you? Thank you for joining us again. Crypto going up, everything going to be around it eventually. Yeah, that's the thing, man. Whenever crypto does get all, you know, fully hyped up and everything, it does go very mainstream, especially in the media. And, you know, especially when the market starts going up and things are green, all of a sudden it becomes very popular again, and you see another massive influx of people joining the market, and then yeah, you just see prices go up and up again. But that is usually when it becomes very dangerous for the new people, because they're automatically made to think that you're going to make so much money overnight. People think that you enter the crypto market and bang, straight away, I've invested £200, by tomorrow that better be £500. But then in reality, you're going to wake up the next day and it's going to be worth £150, and then you're feeling like you don't know what you've just done, because that's a big loss, right? Big loss. But here to teach, and you guys are here to learn, so that's how it's going to be. John, the last time gamers got involved with Bitcoin was in 2014. MK got finished with the huge exchange stealing 70% of Bitcoins in the world around the time. Wow, that is crazy. I didn't actually know that. I think nowadays, with the way the security is and all of that, I feel like it will be a lot more safe and regulated. Back then, crypto was just a thing. Now it's adoption. Now it's integration. You know, now it's proper security. So, you know, whether or not, as you say here, I don't think gamers should be linked with serious crypto. Whether or not it's going to be that serious, I don't actually know. I know you just left the link there. If people want to click on it and have a quick look, I will do that in my own time for sure. But yeah, whether it's going to be that serious or not, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, we'll wait and see. I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be happening a lot more as well. Sorry if I say your name wrong, Jasiu. Thank you for joining us, by the way. And for those that are joining, please do leave a like as you join. What starting investment would you recommend for people who want to buy a €2,000 PC in half a year, for example? Moreover, let's say that 2 to 3 per day can be spent for investing, research, etc. Okay, it's one of those things. I believe there's a lot of opportunity in the market right now. We are in a bull run, which means we are in an uptrend. I do personally believe, and again, this is just my opinion, I do personally believe that there is another big push up to go, where all the massive hype and euphoria does come into play again. So there's a lot of opportunity out there. However, you do want to position yourself in good cryptos. Again, I always say it, with the great use cases and partnerships and utility and all of that good stuff, right? And you don't want to be positioning yourself into scam meme coins. And, you know, believe it or not, the next article is regarding this, because there could be a rug pull. It could just drop at any point, right? So I'm going to be introducing you to a coin or two within this live stream. If you want to take a look into them for yourself, then please do that. I've done a lot of research on them myself, and I believe, like I said, there's some great potential in them. And if you want to invest in it, by all means do that. But I'm going to show you why you should probably invest in it, how to do the research on it. And I'm actually going to present you the graph, the chart of this particular coin as well, and actually show you the potential that this coin does actually have during the dip that we are currently in. Things are recovering, but things are still in a massive dip. So I will be showing you that. But yeah, guys, I just want to quickly move over to this second article for you. And if you could all do me a favor, those that are new to crypto that are in the live stream, I'm going to read this article out to you in such a way where I want you to give your opinion on it. I'm going to be asking you questions on it. Please do just give me your opinion and let me know what you think, because I think this is so wrong of this article to word how they've actually worded this article, right? So it's this, right? Dogecoin has memed its way to a Coinbase listing. Is the joke coin now for real? So, of course, all of you guys do know my opinion on things such as Dogecoin, Shibu, SafeMoon, all that stuff, scams, memes, right? I don't appreciate them. I don't invest in them, but people have made a lot of money off them. Very risky, but it can. However, I want to read this article to you guys and just let me know what you think on it. So, John, loving the channel. You're new. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. It's so good to hear stuff like that. Really good to hear stuff like that. But yeah, guys, let's jump into this article, right? So I'm going to read it out in my way, okay? Let me know what you think about this, because to me, if I was new, I'd be confused as heck right now. I would not know what this article is saying. So Dogecoin has memed its way to a Coinbase listing. Bear in mind, a Coinbase listing is a massive deal. Coinbase only list projects with amazing utility. You know, they do proper thorough research on these cryptos before they are listed on Coinbase. Hence why Coinbase only has certain cryptos listed on it. You got to be a proper crypto if you're going to be on Coinbase, right? So Dogecoin has memed its way to a Coinbase listing. Is the joke coin now for real? Do you see what I'm doing here? Do you see what I'm getting at? Right. So already in this article, they're saying how Dogecoin has memed its way to a massive Coinbase listing. But is the joke coin now for real? They're calling the coin a meme, a joke, but they're saying that is it now real because it's been listed on Coinbase? So already that is confusing to me. Let's carry on. With Dogecoin landing on Coinbase and Robinhood is just another exchange where people can buy certain cryptos, but they only kind of just list the big boys on there, the real stuff, right? Soon adding crypto transfers. Is Doge ready for the big time? And then this is where it gets frustrating for me, because if I was new, I'd be like, what the heck's happening right here, right? Because Dogecoin is so hyped right now, and they're making a mistake with the way they are writing this article. So don't look now, but Dogecoin might be for real. Is it real or not? Like, anyway, it's being added by Coinbase Pro this week, has helped turn Robinhood into one of the most downloaded trading apps, and is seeing payment transaction volume increase at a dizzying pace. So can we officially say Dogecoin, invented in 2013 as a fully functioning joke, is on the path to mainstream adoption? No, it's not. How is it going to be adopted? It has no use case or utility. Do you know what I mean? While memes might be jokes, their power to shape conversation and collective brief are not. As the saying goes, memes move markets, which Dogecoin a prime example. It appropriated a meme of Shiba Inu with raised eyebrows having a syntactically incorrect internal monologue, whatever that means. Its success has more recently given rise to meme coins such as Shiba Inu and Akita Inu that exist mostly to make risky financial investments fun. Terrible, right? Terrible. They're telling you there that they are trying to make investments fun, risky financial investments fun. What are they trying? Are they trying to get people to lose money here, right? Let's get one thing straight. Dogecoin went from under a cent all the way up to 70 cents at one point. It's had a little bit of a pullback now, but has just kind of leveled off a little bit. So firstly, Dogecoin has already gone on a huge run. So the first mistake they're making is letting people know this massive article, this big piece of news, to invest into Dogecoin when it has already 100 times its price from its original value. Okay, that's number one mistake. Number two, they're basically talking about it actually being a meme and other coins such as Shiba and Akita as risky financial investments, but they want to make it fun. Are people in this market to make money, or are they in it for fun? Are they in it to lose money? Do you know what I mean? So what are your actual opinions on it? Because I just don't get it. Dan Jones, they got the richest man in the world backing it at the moment. Are you talking about Elon Musk? Because Obviously Elon is the guy that created Dogecoin. So that is why there's such hype over it, because he's the richest man in the world, and the fact that he's backing it creates so much hype over it. But it's just wrong, especially with how the price has gone up already. You guys know from yesterday, I only invest in things that have bottomed out, because you make the most out of it. Right now, for Dogecoin to 10x its price from here, right? So it's 40 cents. Dogecoin needs to go to $4. I no, I cannot see Dogecoin going to $4, right? From going from under a cent to another 10x. Do you see what they're doing? They're trying to get people to invest into a coin that has already gone mental, and it's also a meme coin. Don't appreciate it, in my opinion. John, you have to think Elon Musk is not a joker. Somehow he is one of the top 5 richest guys that has ever lived. Surely we have to take his opinions seriously. It's not to do with his opinions though, because his opinion is that it is a joke coin. He came out on live TV. I don't know if you guys saw it. He came on a show and started talking about Dogecoin, and the presenter was actually asking him, what is the point of Dogecoin? And he just laughed it off. He kept asking him. He just kept laughing it off, because he didn't have an answer. He just did not have an answer, because it has no use case at all. Yes, the reason why, if there was another coin, the reason why Dogecoin is so hyped is because of Elon Musk. It's purely because of that. So, that's just how I look at it anyway. So I'm assuming hope at the moment, as you said yesterday. Yep. Hype. I'm assuming you're saying yep. Don't get me wrong, I had a touch of it. Look, it's nothing wrong with with making a little bit of money off it. A lot of people have made a lot of money off it, but again, you can make a lot of money off a lot of other things and make a lot more money off it, knowing that it's safer to invest into, if that makes sense. John, should we all do our own resource and give Doge another look? You can if you want to. It is completely up to you. Obviously, I'm just giving you guys my opinion on Doge. People that have been watching the channel from the beginning know my opinions on these type of coins. But I'm going to be, I'll tell you what we're going to do next. I'm going to be showing you a real coin, and I'm going to be showing you what real adoption looks like. Okay. And then you will see the difference, and we'll actually chart it as well. And then, then you'll see the difference between looking at an actual coin and a meme coin, Scott, thanks for joining as well, by the way. It's a way for him to make money. Exactly. You know for sure that Elon Musk is holding millions and millions of Dogecoin right now. And with one tweet, he could make the price of Dogecoin go crazy. But then once it reaches a certain point, he's going to sell it, and he'll be selling a whole load of Dogecoin and it will make such a racket within Dogecoin. It will just drop in value so much. That's the whole point of the whole rug pull. That's what they call it. They call it a rug pull, because those that are making these meme scam coins, there'll be like 4 people holding 60%. I explained this yesterday. They'll be holding 60% of the entire circulation of Shibu, Akita, whatever it may be, Safe Moon. And when it reaches a certain point from hype, a certain price, those 4 people are going to pull the rug, take their profit, and everyone holding it's going to be left behind. It's just risky. That is not fun, like they said in the article. That is not fun at all for people. This is real life, man. People are losing a lot of money. I'm trying to stop people from doing such a thing. You can make money, that's fine, but eventually you're going to lose it. And articles like this frustrate me, because they are pulling people in to invest into stuff like this at this point in time. It is wrong. John, I watched your video on Do Your Own Research yesterday and did my own research on Doge. It turns out the team behind the coin is now serious and have a great plan. I'd like to see what the plan is and what they're actually planning to do. They can't do it overnight, that's for sure. The bull run is nearly over. Let's just remember that as well. When I say nearly over, there's still a while to go, but I believe the next push up could signify some kind of end of the market cycle, where until we go into a bear market. Still a while to go, but you've got to also remember that Dogecoin has already gone on a crazy surge in price. Okay, and only now they are putting together a plan. Well, by the time that plan is done, I bet you any money we're going to be deep into a bear market, because they ain't getting no plan out and achieving stuff over in one day. So you got to think of it like that as well. You got to think of it 2 ways, right? I'm out now and had my money to get me started. I remember you saying from the very first live stream, Dan, you actually invested into it and took profit from it. So fair enough to you, man. Fair enough to you. Andrew, thanks for joining. Doge has a use case. You can use it as a payment in certain places. Everyone knows what it is. So publicity has, and that's half the battle. It is rubbish now, but has a chance. It does have a chance. And with the way it's gone with social media and everything, I think they will pull it out the bag later down the line. But as of this point in this market right now, it's not something that people should be really, really rushing to buy. Just my opinion on it. Scott, thoughts on Flare Spark token? Can't wait. I was holding a lot of XRP when the snapshot was taken back in December. I do believe that is meant to be the Spark token is meant to be dropping on the exchanges very soon. For those of you that don't know, whoever was holding XRP in certain exchanges or wallets, they have a snapshot that was taken back in December, and they're going to be receiving an airdrop of a Spark token, which will be released on exchanges very, very soon. Which could be, we don't know how much it's going to be worth at a time of when it is dropped, but it's essentially free money. The snapshot's obviously done now, so you can't get into it, but I can't wait, man. I really can't wait. I'm really, really looking forward to it. So yeah, guys, I think that will bring us nicely onto the coin that I wanted to introduce to you guys. There are two. One of them I've spoken a lot about. You'll probably know what it is, but there is another one that is part of the same ecosystem. Okay, now let me just get it up for you guys. Give me 2 seconds. So the coin is called, drum roll please, Mirror Protocol, or the ticker, the abbreviation being MIR. Right, so I'm just going to quickly go onto Mirror Protocol's website, and we're just going to have a quick read of it, and then I'm going to show you, why it's such a good opportunity right now, and then I'm going to obviously go over to the graph as well and present the reason to why there could be a lot of profit to be made in this coin, right? So let's just get straight into it. Let me take this off the screen and head over here. So here we go. Mirror. It's basically assets reflected on the blockchain. So just before I get into it, just to give you actually we'll read it and then I'll give you a quick overview of what everything actually means, right? So how it works. Mirror Protocol allows the creation of fungible assets or synthetics that track the price of real world assets. Mirror synthetics are intended to be used as key building blocks in smart contracts and to bring the world's assets to the blockchain. So for those of you that didn't understand anything I just said, because I'm sure there was probably a few of you, basically Mirror Protocol is designed to bring real world assets into the blockchain. So meaning you could use Mirror Protocol and buy stuff such as Tesla, like stocks. You could buy Tesla, you could buy AMC, which seems to be a massive thing right now, right? And it is going crazy at the moment. And what I want to show you right now in this next picture is all the partnerships that has integrated within it. And I'm going to show you the ecosystem that it's actually part of, right? So this is crazy. And Chris, good to see you back here, bro. And don't worry, Dan, just ignore them, my man. Just ignore them. So let's just jump straight back into that. Here we go. This picture here represents the Terra Luna ecosystem. And for those of you that don't know, I have been very big on Luna. To me, it is one of the greatest assets on the market right now. Okay. And here you could see that Mirror, I'll zoom into it. Mirror is part of the core ecosystem of Luna altogether. Okay. And then we jump over here to this picture here, right? These are some of the partnerships that I've integrated within Mirror that are using it right now. And some of you may remember or know some of these exchanges. So these are exchanges: Pancake Swap, Sushi Swap, Uniswap, Mushroom Finance, 1inch, ridiculous name for an exchange, but it's called 1inch nonetheless. Harvest, Mars Network, Matcha. So basically, these have all integrated within Mirror. They're all running on it, which is crazy, right? So that is the coin that I wanted to introduce you to. Mirror Protocol, something that is really, really being adopted widely. It is an excellent project that you guys could look into. It is available on Binance. But now I wanted to just go over to the chart. I'll tell you what, before I do that, the second coin is Luna itself, right? While we're here. So I'll talk about Luna, right? Yes, you've got Mirror here. This is what Mirror does. This is what Anchor does, blah, 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 blah. all of this is Luna, right? All of this is running on Luna. Look at all the integrations. Yeah. Look at the ecosystem. Look at the retail payments that it is being used by. Look at the on and off ramps. You've obviously got Mira integrating with all of these exchanges. Well, that means that it's part of Luna's ecosystem as well. Okay. Then you've got all of these community services. It is crazy what Luna is doing right now, right? So the two coins are Mira, okay, MIR, Mirror Protocol, and Luna, both available on Binance. If you want to carry on and do your own research on these coins, please do so. I have created my own do your own research video, which I have posted on my channel. I actually show you how to do the research on Luna itself. I should have included this picture within that video. I just found it today, and it's pretty crazy. So there you go. But let me just go over to the chart of MIR and present the case to you of not only is it such an exciting project, but is it actually worth buying at this point now to make some profit on it? Okay, so here we go. This is the chart of MIR. I'm going to make it full screen like I done for you guys yesterday so I can show you a little thing. I'm actually going to show you another tool that I use like I done yesterday. I'm going to show you something else where you can identify whether or not there's going to be a breakout of a coin when looking at a chart. Okay, so here we go. Cool. So this is the daily chart of MIR. Okay, and straight off the back, what we could see here is that obviously it had its crash during when Bitcoin was going down, right? So what I want to do right here, firstly, is just show you how much of a crash it actually had. So go here from the top, from the highest point to the lowest point, right there, we had a 74.8% crash. In pricing terms, it went from just under, well, it went from $13 all the way down to $3. Okay, so already off the back, that's about 4 or 5 times lower than what it was actually at before. Currently, we are sitting right here at $4.8. Now, the reason why I wanted to present this to you is because not only is it such a great asset in regards to what it does, but already off the back from a few weeks ago during this crash, as of this point right now, if you was to invest into MIR and for it just to return to the high that it had a few weeks ago, whilst the market is recovering, so I'm pretty sure it will get back there, you're already 2.5 to 3 times in your money. Okay, there's so many opportunities out there that are very similar to this one. I will also show you Luna. I might as well while we're here, right? But you are already going to be 2.5 to 3 times in your money just back to the high of where we were a few weeks ago, let alone the highs that it's going to make after that, right? Because like I said, I'm pretty sure, not financial advice, just my own opinion, I'm pretty sure that we are going to be going on another surging run where all these cryptos make another massive all-time high, go on a crazy run, euphoria, proper amazing, just like Dogecoin did. Dogecoin had its turn. All of these other coins are going to have their turn as well, where they go absolutely ballistic and do a Doge. Remember, Doge went from below 1 cent all the way up to 70 cents. Let's just say from 1 cent to 70 cents. That's 70 times your money. The opportunities out there right now are crazy. We are in a dip. The thing is with people and their minds is that whenever things are green, whenever the market is green, things are going up, that's when they want to buy for some reason. But whenever there's a correction, it's not a crash, it's a correction, and there's a dip in the market and things are red, people don't want to buy because they're scared. They're actually selling. Why do our minds work like that? You should be buying coins when you are in a dip to make the most of the opportunity, right? So for something such as Mirror Protocol, right now, okay, we are 62% down from our high, and it's about 2 to 3 times your money just to get back to this high here. Now, another reason why I believe MIR right now is a great potential earner for you guys to make some profit is because I'm going to present you the case of what a breakout could actually look like. And whenever we're looking for breakouts, ideally you want to be looking for something called a falling wedge. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart right here. Before I go on to that, this is what a falling wedge looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, it's basically the chart in a small falling wedge within like a triangle type pattern, and it just gets tighter and tighter and tighter until it finally breaks out. And if we actually go over to the MIR chart right here, I'll make it a little bit bigger for you as well. Let's get these lines out. And one thing I want you guys to mention is ignore the volatility of these wicks, okay? Whenever you are charting something and looking at a falling wedge, you want to be making sure that you apply this line on where the candles actually close, okay? So if you watched my video yesterday, you will know that this is the high that it had in the day. This will be the low, but that will be where the candle actually closed, right? So let's just get it, go from here, and we'll draw that line right there. We'll go from here and we'll draw that line right there. Okay, just like that. And as you could see right here, right? So you've got this little pattern here, and then we've got this little pattern here where it's getting tighter and tighter. What do we have here? Just like that, right? There you go. We've gone up perfectly. Even, do you know what? I didn't even realize how perfect that was, right? We've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're into the falling wedge, just like we are here. And as you could see right here, guys, on the 4-hour chart, you can see how tight it is getting within this pattern right here, right? It is getting extremely tight, and that's what happens when prices get suppressed before a big breakout. And what we ideally would like to see from here is that once it gets to around this area, it could happen anytime soon. What you will see is a big breakout back to the upside until it starts going on its surging run, and it will be making its way back up to the top. Okay, so already at this point right now, MIR is looking like such a great opportunity. It is, for me, it is in a great buy zone. It's following a perfect falling wedge pattern. It's getting tighter and tighter in there. You could, if I even just take this off, right, if you look down below here, right, where the date and time is, if I just go along here, it's even looking like by the 5th of, what's the date today? 3rd. By the 5th of June at latest, we could be seeing some kind of breakout. To what extent? I don't know. It could be anything, but this does confirm to me that a breakout will be occurring at some point in MIR. And in order for you guys to find out whether or not there's going to be some kind of resistance or support level while it does break out, the best thing to do is head over to the daily chart. There you go. The lines are still there. And what you want to do here is just basically look over to this side and just try and see if you could find any type of areas where it could signify a great level of support or resistance, right? So if I just get a line here, this is a great area of not concern. It's an area that I'm looking at, right? I'll be looking at here, and then I'll be kind of looking at around here. So for me, if I do see a breakout, ideally, I'd want to be seeing it go up to around this area before we maybe take a little bit of a break again. Because as you could see here, it seemed to have been a resistance level back here in February, right? It was just kind of around this area until we did have a big breakout. And then even when it did break back down, there was still a little bit of volatility here, okay, until we then decided to break back above it. So firstly, I'll be looking at this area as a level of interest as resistance, which lies at $5.86, okay? So from where we are now, 4.8, we could be going up $1 after this breakout. And then the second level of interest to me would, of course, be around this area right here, right? You can see that there was quite a lot going on around here. It was resistance, barely broke out, came back, resistance, then we broke out. And as you could see right here, if you learned from yesterday, it turned it into support. Okay, we had a clear bounce off this level, and even here for 3 days, because this is the daily chart, remember, 3 days we were battling this resistance level until Bitcoin did finally break down and go on its corrective run, right? So on our way back up for MIR, the areas of interest for me would be 5.8, and then a little break maybe, and then $7.4 is what I'd be looking at. If we then manage to break above it, we'll be hopefully going for the all-time high, which lies around $13 before we could see a bit of volatility before it then goes higher. Okay, so just to quickly conclude that for you guys, just so I'm showing it again, this is a falling wedge. It gets tighter and tighter in it, and then we have a breakout. Then you want to have a look and see where it breaks out and see where there could be a level of interest of where there's support or resistance. This is a level of resistance for me. this is a level of resistance for me. All I've done here is put some lines, right, just so I could identify what I'm looking at. Okay, so it is literally as simple as that. Let me know if you guys have just understood everything that I have just said. I could see, again, whenever I'm doing some crypto analysis, it's weird because I can't see what anyone's saying and I can't see if people are actually watching it. So it's good to see that people are actually still here watching it. But yeah, that is MIR for you. Have a look at it. If you want to go into much deeper research, have a look at MIR. I'll tell you what I could do. Let me get this. Can I copy this and paste it into the chat for you guys? Give me a second. You guys see that? I just put in the link to that website of where it shows the entire ecosystem. Have a quick look at that, and that could give you a little bit more information on MIR. I'll even post the website to MIR on here as well, so you can have a quick look for yourselves. There it is. And yeah, like I said, it is available on Binance. If you guys did want to invest into it, have a quick look. Let me know what you guys think. And while we are here, we will take a look at Luna as well, because it is in a very similar situation and the profit potential of it is great. Of course, I don't need to go into too much detail on the research behind Luna because I've already done quite a lot about it. People should definitely have a look at it for themselves as well, and this ecosystem and what they're doing. But let's quickly dive into the chart and see what we can have a look on there as well. Let's have a quick look at this. Jack, good to see you, my man. Thank you very much. And for those that have just joined recently, please do leave a like on the video for me. It would really, really help me out. Dan, crystal clear. Good. I'm glad it's crystal clear, man. Again, guys, let me know if I am going, too fast, or if you're not understanding anything. Just write the question down in the box. I will answer it if you have anything at all that you want to say, right? Scottish Zero, hello. How you doing, my man? Thank you for joining us. Gunners, yo, bro, I transferred my ETH to Smart Chain by accident. Dude. Do you know what the funny thing is? One of the videos that I'm releasing this weekend, I actually show you how to transfer some money, your cryptos from a exchange to a wallet. And I present the case of making sure you don't make that mistake. Dude, I hope it wasn't too much. I'm sorry for that, man. Unfortunately, if you do transfer cryptos from one network to another network that isn't meant to be that network, it does usually get lost unless you do speak to the support team on that exchange. Hopefully they could help you out. So yeah, hopefully it gets better for you, man, but don't do that again. Make sure you always look at what you're doing, especially when you're sending crypto. It's very important. Jack, thoughts on Dogecoin? Jack, my man, go back a little bit, rewind a little bit on the stream. You'll see my thoughts on Dogecoin. I don't know if you're joking or not, but you should know my thoughts on Dogecoin right now. So I don't know if you are joking. If you're not joking, I do apologize. Please let me know. Yeah, I don't invest in meme coins and stuff like that. In short, that's basically it. But yeah, guys, let's quickly jump into Luna. So just so I could show you what Luna is looking like, and we'll quickly analyze that. Let me just get it back on full screen for you. Here we go. Just go to this box and we type in Luna USDT. Here we go. So this is the daily chart for Luna. Now, if we just do the exact same thing that we've done with MIR, and first thing, let's just find out how much we've dropped from the bottom. Okay, so we dropped 83% and we're currently sitting at 66%. Okay, so currently we were at $22.7 and we are now sitting at $7.7. So that is actually more potential than MIR right now. That is 3 times your money just back to the high that is set a few months ago. Okay, and with the market recovering, Luna is looking amazing right now. Let's just dive into this 4-hour chart and see if we can notice anything here. Now, guys, we obviously done the whole falling wedge with MIR. Well, look, let's just have a quick look at Luna and I'll show you what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing that we've actually broken out of our falling wedge. As you could see here. There you go. That to me looks like a very clear breakout. Now, one thing that's worth mentioning, breakouts does not mean as soon as it gets here, it's going to do that, right? It does not mean that. breakouts could mean a little bit of this, right? So there's a line, we break out, and what we're going to do, you know, is a little bit of that, right? That is also a breakout, okay, of a falling wedge. Sometimes it can just be that. Cool. Let me move this thing out of the way. Sometimes it can just be a straight line up, but a lot of the times, you know what? It's actually better and more bullish if a coin does do this, right? Because what that means is it's always coming back down to test some certain support levels while it's making its way back up, okay, which is a sign of a very, very good coin. Okay, so you can see here that Luna 3 times your money just back to the high that it created, on top of it making new all-time highs, which I really have strong opinions that it will. Okay, so yeah, Luna right now is also a great buy. If we just look back here, you can see the type of run that I thank God I got into Luna down here at 41 cents. I was able to ride Luna all the way up, right? And Luna is the reason my parents' mortgage is paid off right now. Okay, it is things like this that can happen. It's things like this that will happen to you guys if you are in the correct coins. Okay, and if you are buying the bottom with Doge, buying Doge right now is literally like buying Doge up here. Okay, you don't want to be that guy. You want to be that guy buying down here. That's my thoughts on Dogecoin. You want to ride all that up because you're not going to get that again. It's not going to come again. This, right? Tell you what we could do. I can grab this fractal for you guys. Bars pattern. Here we go. If I just grab this fractal for you, okay, and I overlay it. Oh, here we go. I overlay it where it is right now. Okay. Let's just zoom up and see where that takes us. If we just do that run again, we're looking at $400 Luna. Are we realistically going to be seeing $400 Luna in this bull run? Don't get me wrong. I think it will go there at some point in the future, long term. But right now in this run, are we going to be seeing $400 Luna? I'm not so sure, guys. So you want to be that guy that already rode it up from here to here. You want to be that guy that already made, I'll do it from where I brought it, that already made 5,000% on your original investment from the beginning. That's the guy you want to be. You don't want to be that guy. This is why I always say it is very, very important for you guys to do great research on your coins, not just finding out what the coin is, but looking at the chart and realizing the potential left in it as well. Okay, extremely important. Andrew, love Luna and MIR so much. I brought the current top prices right now are a bargain. A lot of institutions hold Luna. Follow the smart money. Exactly. You've got to follow the smart money. I mean, just by looking at the partnerships of where these are all the partnerships, but ideally, these are some of the things that you want to be looking at. The retail and payments. A lot of this is included because Luna is originated from Korea, I believe. So you wouldn't really be aware of these, but these are financials, some financial institutions, payment methods in Korea that are using and running on Luna. That is huge, guys. That is millions and millions of dollars being ran on the Luna ecosystem. Okay, so it just goes to show what a real project, a real coin looks like. Okay, life, if I invest in Luna right now and I just sit, it's pretty much guaranteed to make profit over time. Look, nothing is guaranteed in life, right? And in crypto, it's extremely volatile, but not financial advice. In my opinion, if people were to buy Luna right now, buy MIR right now, and you just sat on it and you was patient, I'm not talking a week or 2 weeks, I'm talking months, right? We're riding this bull run out. Don't expect things overnight. Yes, you will make profit. With conviction, I strongly believe that. Okay. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Of course, I have to say that, but I've done my research on it. I've presented the cases to you guys on the charts. And hopefully you guys have been able to learn something in this video as well. So yeah, guys, I think that's probably going to conclude the whole stream today. Do you guys have any questions for me at all? We'll do a little Q&A before I do go. If not, then yeah, I will just end it there. But I'll give you guys a little bit of time if you do have any questions you want to ask me. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this stream. I got really into that, didn't I? Like, I'm really passionate when it comes to like my Luna and MIR and stuff like that. I've obviously shown you how to use another tool in trading view on the charts, the falling wedge. Hopefully you guys can understand that now as well. So yesterday, if you didn't watch it, please do go and have a look at that stream. We covered how to identify support and resistance levels today, and we actually looked at something called Fibonacci retracements as well. And today I've shown you a falling wedge. I've also introduced a few coins to you. So let me know if you guys have learned something, and if there's something you don't understand. Is it easy to buy Luna? Yep, it is on Binance. MIR and Luna is on Binance. Definitely have a quick look into them. Just deposit your money. If you don't know how to use Binance, I also made a video on using Binance as well. So definitely go check that out. The Flying Tanner, with a 2K investment, which would you invest, MIR or Luna? Why don't you go 50-50? I'd just go 50-50 with that, man. If I had 2K right now and I was stuck between MIR and Luna, I'd be going straight down the middle, because then you know that one can go up, you could take profit and put it into the other one if it hasn't gone up yet, right? That's the way you should be doing it. So if I was you with 2K, I know you may want more in another, but I believe it would be better to go 50-50 down the middle with them. Dan Jones, did you get time to look at Strax and ICP? Bro, I haven't. I'm really, really sorry about it. That I do have good reasoning. Honestly, some of the work that I've been doing behind the scenes just to get some videos sorted for you guys, it's been mental. Of course, I do have my regular day job as well, which I need to be focusing on. So I haven't had too much time to look into them, but I definitely will, especially ICP. That really interests me because of the state of how it just made its name on the list of the coins in the coin market cap, right? So I will definitely have a look into it. I promise I will get around to doing it. And the other one you're mentioning, yes. So MIR and Luna, both on Binance. Go and have a look if you want to buy them. Thanks. No worries, man. Anytime at all. So do we have any more questions at all before I do wrap it up, guys? Again, I do thank everyone for joining the stream. Please do leave a like if you haven't already. I appreciate it more than you know. But yeah, guys, I think unless I get another comment come through very soon, I think I am going to end it there. Arsenal fan, yo, what up, man? Did you get a chance to look at Audius? No, bro, I haven't looked into Audius yet either. Just like Dan Jones asking me about Strax and ICP, it has been a very, very busy time. But I will get time to look into it. I've just been making videos for you guys. Look out for the weekend, guys. Two very, very important videos that you guys should definitely watch. A lot of advice in there. Things that you should not be doing, like mistakes. I'll also be trying to teach you how to be storing stuff into safe wallets. I've been getting so many questions on using safe wallets, decentralized wallets, hardware wallets, ledger, all of that stuff, right? I've done a video on it, so hopefully that will be able to teach you something as well. I've done like a screen recording with my voice behind it again, showing you step by step on how to use it. So I've made it as easy as possible for all of you. So now, by the end of the weekend, no one should have any excuses or anything on how to use Binance and how to actually store your crypto as well. Two of the main things that new people do need to know, because you don't want to be using something like Coinbase where the fees are crazy. You want to be using Binance where the fees are really good and reasonable, and there's plenty of cryptos available on there. You now know how to do that. By the weekend, you'll know how to store your cryptos as well. You've obviously now known how to analyze some charts, use some tools. So I hope you guys appreciate that as well. Every live stream, I'll try to kind of just, throw something out there that will teach you something. And like I said, any other questions you guys have, please do leave it in the comments, because I want to be covering videos on them for you. Even in a live stream, I could be showing you guys some live stuff. So if there's stuff you guys want me to cover during a live stream, which I can physically do on the laptop, which you can see, I'm more than happy to do that. So just let me know. But yeah, guys, we will be back tomorrow at 6:30 again. I won't be doing live streams over the weekend. Like I said, 2 videos coming out. So please do watch them. Guys, please do like the stream as you are leaving. Please subscribe to the channel as well and share it out to anyone that you think needs it. Let's help as many people as we can. Thank you all for joining me today. And guys, I will see you tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. sharp. I'll see you later.